We started by placing a thin layer of breadcrumbs right on the bottom. Now I have a little bit of mild cheddar cheese, and I'm going to layer a little bit of that right on top of those breadcrumbs there. So I'm just moving those around in a circular pattern and putting them right on top of these breadcrumbs. You guys, you're gonna love this little snack. I was craving it today and I just couldn't stop thinking about it. And you know how that just happens? It's like sometimes when you have a craving, you just have to satisfy it. Tell me, what do you crave? What are the things, what is your biggest craving? And it can't just be like, oh, now and then it's not anymore. Like literally something that you absolutely have loved for a long time. Tell me all about it. Okay, so we got some cheese on there, and now we're gonna come in with a little bit of red onion. I chopped up this red onion. Well, actually, I didn't. David did. Thank you, babe, for chopping it up, because I still have yet to find out a really great solution for the eyes and the watering situation with the onion. So I've tried so many of your suggestions, and I hate to say it, but so far, nothing has worked. So if you have anything that you swear by, that you can't live without, and that you also use, please tell me about it in the comments. I could really use your help.
Swimming goggles.
Okay, we're adding a little bit more onion. We have some white onion. Yes, so we have a little layer of breadcrumbs. We have some cheese. Then we have some red onion. I have a little bit of chopped white onion that I'm putting right in here. And we're moving right along, just kind of layering up this delicious homemade snack. Okay, we're gonna come back in with a little bit of this cheese, and we're just gonna do one more layer right on top. Ooh, this cheese is gonna melt right in with those onions. And those are two of my, honestly, probably one of my favorite things, cheese and onions. Does that sound awful? That's probably really unattractive, but you know what, whatever, it is what it is, and I'm okay with it. So we're just gonna smother these bad boys in a little bit more cheese. Oh, it's gonna have like a crispy crunch. It's gonna be so, so good. And we're not using a fryer, so right? We don't have to feel bad about it. I don't feel bad about this. Just piling that cheese right on. All right, we're grabbing our breadcrumbs again, and we're coming in and we're gonna do a thin layer of breadcrumbs then right on top of this cheese, just like that. If it spills over, just use your finger, kind of get it in all those spaces. Once that cheese melts, it's gonna come in with those breadcrumbs, and it's gonna be super tasty. These look so good. We're gonna set them up with a little bit of olive oil that we can just spray right on. We got like our own little homemade cheesy onion rings. Oh, they're gonna be divine when they come out of the oven. I can't wait. I'm getting super hungry just thinking about this. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 350. We're gonna cook them for 15 minutes, and stick around because they're gonna turn out so good. You're just gonna have to give them a try. Oh my goodness, you guys, our little homemade cheesy onion rings are all done. I cannot wait to try them. Oh, look at how golden brown they are on the outside. I'm gonna pick this one right here. I feel how crispy it is. Everything's held together with those breadcrumbs. How awesome. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so good. I love the crunchiness of the breadcrumbs, the cheese, the way that the onions are chopped up makes it so easy to eat. I don't know. They don't need a dipping sauce, but if you were to choose one, what would you pick? Tell me about it so I can change up my game next time. All right, I'm gonna devour these. We'll see you guys later. Oh, love these.